I'm going to show you how to do the to delete cookies on the computer. So you go down to the search bar here and you write delete cookies, and then you click this top thing, delete cookies, and then go to let's see, you go down to here and you click delete. And just click I would not click history. I would just click temporary internet files and cookies, leave all everything else, and I would say click delete, um, and then click apply, and then click OK. Um, an additional thing you can do to delete the cookies, and I'm not sure if this needs to be done or not, but you can go also to settings, and you go to advanced, and you go to system, and oh wait, this is maybe not the right one. I always forget where it is in here. Actually, I can do this. Oh, never mind, I forget how to do this part. But yeah, if you really just do that, that should be enough. If I can remember where to delete. Oh, here it is, privacy and security. So you can have them. I don't know. Actually, yeah. So you can go here to clear browsing data, and you can click leave this checked for cookies and other site data, and then click clear data. So this may make them. It shouldn't have to make them sign into things again. But it might make them sign into Microsoft again, but it shouldn't really do that. I would clear that. I would restart the computer then, and or go to restart, and restart the computer like you normally would. You can also have them, just after they do that cookies thing, have them close Chrome and then have them open it again, and and go to ClassLink then, and see if when they go into EdSite, that see if they can see their assignments and stuff at this point. I'd love to see